Sal Cajon, good morning to you. We're now looking at some local weather here and checking the temperatures using our 10 News Pinpoint Weather Network here. Rancho San Diego, 35 degrees. Let's check some other locations here using the wide county map. Mira Mesa, you're at 40 degrees. Vista, 42. Down in the South Bay, we're also seeing some 40s there. Chula Vista at about 44 degrees. Up in the mountains, we're seeing some upper 30s and even a low 40. Just about the same. Look at how cold it is right now in the desert, 41 degrees. So what's happening today? The reason why we're not going to get too hot, too cool is we've got a couple of things going. First of all, an area of high pressure just off the coast, and then an area of low pressure coming down right around the Great Basin here. This is going to continue north in the northerly flow into our area here, and our temperatures will be very close to average, not a couple of degrees above. And then once we start going over the next few days, Wednesday, especially Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that area of low pressure moves away. High pressure will start to dominate over the region and will start to warm up. Just how warm? Take a look at the coast 7-day forecast here. So 68 today, 70 tomorrow, Thursday starting to warm up a little more, 74. And then look at Friday. We're looking at still low 80s for that day, some of the coastal neighborhoods. Saturday, 77. And then back down into next week. No rain in sight yet. Ellen, 7-day forecast here. We've got 70s for you, low 70 today, and then we gradually warm up. And we're looking at a couple of days still, Friday and Saturday, low 80s, the warmest days over the next several days.